good. We got tons of food.
What is that, Luke?
Cleanup kit.
All right. We're gonna put a high line from up there where Gary is and go over to this tree right here.
We're at Perry's house. Derwin's working the tractor. We've got Kirk and Tim and Ralph and Luke and Nick out there working that brush, trying to clear it. What we're going to work on, we're rigging a high line from this tree, trying to get one over to this tree so I can safety off. This is the one we're going to try to get off the house. With a high line, I'll be able to walk out here, and we're going to have to kind of block these things and take them off and swing them off the spar here. But the goal is to rig as many pieces as we can off of here without hurting the roof and work this tree off of here. And right now we're just trying to get the high line squared away. Okay, a quick look around. You can see what I see. Asplund and tree crews are working a lot on the clearing lines out and electrical hazards. It's a pretty good swath of destruction. This neighborhood's really hit hard. Go past the tree. And that's as far as I can spin. See how much that rope is directed? How much of a chance is this thing being broken?
They got thousands, you know, 4, 5, 8,000 pounds on it.
Yep. Clear.
Okay, so I push out to go farther, Dad.
Try it.
Billy, yeah. Give me some tension on this rope.